What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in, guys. Another day is in the books, which means we had another chance to get in our bag and do what we do, guys. Listen, man, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so I want you to keep it locked. We got a lot to unpack on today. Let's go ahead and dive into it. First and foremost, I want to say major salute to everybody that did their thing on the day. As the market continues to sell off, those of you that are making money in puts, as these plays just continue to fall down in a falling knife format, guys, I just want to say keep up the good work. The trend is your friend, whether the trend is going up or whether the trend is going down like it is right now. Keep the game simple, make it easy for you guys, and keep doing your thing. With that being said, guys, listen, we got some major news on today that came out, and I want to share it with you all, and we're going to unpack this together. Okay, check it out. So guys, we have Dalio of Bridgewater just predicted another 20% to 25% drop for the markets. Here's what the asset manager still holds for shock proofing. Okay, so check it out, guys. Remember, I often talk about how influential people, their words, their headlines, things like that, guys, have the tendency to either move the market or it can influence the market. Okay, so remember this. We're going over it together. I'm gonna unpack it with you guys momentarily, but remember this just in case it does go down another 20-25%, or just in general, you know, this may have served as one of the catalysts that took it down, in addition to all the real things that are driving the market down. Okay, but with that being said, guys, the Fed's aggressive rate hikes have cast a giant shadow over the stock market. Among the experts who are sounding the alarm is Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater and Associates. Okay, it went on, guys, to say earlier this week, Bridgewater's co-chief investment officer Greg Jensen told Bloomberg that the Fed's hawkish stance hasn't fully been priced in. So they don't even think that, even with the tough talk in that short minute talk that he gave at the Jackson Hole, even though he was firm in his words, they don't even think that's been priced in. This sell-off is just reacting to the news. In aggregate, let's say asset market decline at something like 20 to 25%, he predicts. Okay, so guys, with that being said, keep your eye out. Okay, he's of influential nature, so his words matter. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, so you need to make sure that you understand that when people speak, when certain people speak, it can move the market, whether up or down. So just be on the lookout for that. Okay, guys, one stock with all of that has been said. Okay, one stock that I want to put on your radar. Okay, this is Procter and Gamble, ticker symbol PG. Okay, this is also Dalio's largest holding in his portfolio, in his hedge funds portfolio. Okay, and there's reasons for that. Okay, and so if we are going to go down another 20-25%, who knows, guys? That stuff remains to be seen. You guys know around here, we take it one day at a time, one play at a time. We invest for the long term, and then we get busy in the market with options short term, day to day. Okay, with that being said, man, that two-pronged approach allows us to have fun every single day. We learn, we earn, we have a great time just understanding the markets, engaging with the markets, and just taking all that comes with it. Procter and Gamble, sitting at $104.15 at the time of this recording, is a great defensive play. It's a great value stock. It's also a great company, okay, a consumer staples that most people rely on. Okay, so let's go ahead and break down some of what this company is all about. Procter and Gamble engages in the provision of branded consumer packaged good. Okay, so beauty products, feminine products, hygiene products. Okay, you guys know all the brands you guys see when you are in Costco, Walmart, Target. If it ain't Johnson & Johnson, it's likely Procter & Gamble. Okay, but guys, let's go ahead and look at the valuation on this company. Okay, the market cap is at $335 billion. All right, but let's look at this PE. Okay, remember I talked to you guys about when we are valuing companies, when analysts, when experts, when whoever, Wall Street, hedge funds, when they are talking about cheap, okay, you still pretty high at 24. But 24 is still better than something that has a PE of 35. Okay, so this right here, guys, it's still it can come down some more, and that will make it even more attractive. Okay, but at 24, on top of this 2.5 dividend yield they have, okay, you have a lot of factors. That's why people like to hide out, pile into this kind of company. Okay, these type of stocks are not only your dividend aristocrats, your dividend kings, but these are some of your better value plays and some of the places people flee to during things like recessions and things of that nature. Okay, so with that being said, I'm putting this one on your radar. Let me know down in the comments below if this is something you guys have. As always, as each and every stock, do your own DD. Okay, I'm about having fun in the market, guys, exploring companies, but really looking at price action and making money off of those outside of my long-term stuff, which I simply just buy and hold long-term. There's nothing to do with that. I just make sure I buy at critical levels, my buy zones, and then boom, I get my positions established and I hold them long term. But lateral to that, I love predicting and reacting to the things that go on in the stock market. Okay, and so with that being said, this is just one. Whether you guys are wanting to have something of quality in your portfolio, you guys might already have this for all I know. Okay, but just wanted to share that with you. Next up, guys, to close it out, I wanted to break down the SPY on today. Okay, ticker symbol SPY. This is currently sitting at 398.34. It was down over 1% on the day. Okay, and it's flattened after hours. With that being said, guys, remember I talked to you guys about, and we'll just look at it together. Remember this weekend we brought out the charts. Okay, and just so everybody know, I got this question asked how to bring up the charts. Do you guys see these two arrows right here on your charts? If you hit this, you can bring up the charts in this format. Okay, or you can change your line chart to a candlestick chart in this format. Okay, so there's no standard, guys. You got Thinkorswim, you got TradingView. I love Yahoo Finance. I love all of it. Okay, but just because for teaching purposes I'm using this, just want to show you guys this. Okay, so check it out. Remember this weekend, last week, I told you guys the SPY, if it fell, the levels it will fall to. Let's go ahead and revisit some of that. Okay, remember this. Remember this level right here, 390.89 is where, if the stock continue to fall, we're going to be looking for this level for the next level of support. Right now we broke 400. Okay, and so sitting here under 400 at 398, that's massive. Will we reclaim that tomorrow? It remains to be seen. But if we don't, look for 395, and if we can't hold 395, you guys already know 390.89. Now listen, to talk about an upside when everything is trending down and you have what's called a falling knife is difficult. But to the upside, just so you guys know, 411, 408. So that 408 to 411 range, if we were to go back to the upside, will be an area I want you to look out for. However, even getting a 401 or 405 would be a win for the bulls in the stock market. Okay, if not, if they get, again, if they continue to get smacked, guys, this is going to come down to look for that 395 next. And if we can't even hold 395, then you look for this level we talk about here. Okay, sitting at 390. All right, listen, guys, if you can take advantage of what you see, I want you to react. Okay, I want you to, if you can, on the investing side, guys, you can be accumulating, you can continue to dollar cost average. All right, but on the money making side, guys, I'm letting you guys know the levels. I'll be looking for this tomorrow. It might pop back up temporarily. We call those pump fakes. Okay, with all the selling pressure that's happening, it might pop back up, and that's my cue. Okay, if it hit 400 and can't bust through 400, boom, I'm more than likely going to buy a put around 400, 399, 401, knowing that we have all this selling pressure that's going to potentially push it down. And listen to this, guys, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna cut my loss and pivot, and I'm gonna make sure that if the trend start going up, where you think I'm gonna go? The trend is your friend. Okay, I'll ride the wave no matter which way it go. But if it's going down, I'm gonna ride it down. Okay, I keep the game simple, and that's how you consistently knock them out the park. All right, listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. Get ready. There's a lot going on. The market is in a gray area, Okay, we're trying to see, do we want to reclaim 400, or if we're going to just capitulate from here and continue to go down. Regardless of what happens, we have a game plan around here, and you guys know we're going to get to it, and we're going to do what we do. So I want you guys to stay locked and loaded. I want you guys to be ready to make some money tomorrow. If you haven't already, join the Discord. And guys, make sure y'all join the weekly options if you haven't done that yet. Guys, we stay knocking those out the park. I think our plays for this week is AMD. Just go look at anything we do, guys. We're crushing it, okay? And if that's something you want to be a part of, that's available to you. But if not, keep it simple and just join the Discord. Regardless, we're going to take care of you. Regardless, we're going to help you be successful in this game, as well as navigate these current conditions. All right, with that being said, guys, remember, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.